know, as a kid, growing up, reading a ton of comics, I have a very weird affinity for green heroes. I'm a huge Incredible Hulk fan. I do have a Hulk tattoo. Much to my wife's chagrin. I grew up loving all of these characters and none of them looked like me, talked like me, came from where I came from. Within the canon of comics, there really hasn't been many characters of color that exist. And so what could that look like? That was the birth of the Flyboy. In creating the character, I was definitely inspired by the Tuskegee Airmen. They were an all-black fighter battalion. At the time, blacks weren't seen as equal, that flew these missions all successfully. How powerful it was, being able to soar above it all. I just thought that that would make for a cool character. But to give it a little bit of a modern twist, I came from a graffiti background, so I drew like these little bug-eyed boys. There's a lot of research, gathering the information through images first. Having a tool like Pinterest, you know, I use it a lot. It's the early roadmap, and those are super crucial to have. Flyboy, he's born and bred from Nevermore, an immersive art experience on the southeast side of Chicago. Traditionally in galleries, it's look, don't touch. I wanted to create a full experience. Look, touch, run around, play. It's like a jolt of inspiration. The Flyboy becomes aspirational in ways that comics did for me when I was younger. It can be really powerful to have a character that you connect with, that you feel like could be a friend. You know, speak the way that you do, and it feels genuine, it feels authentic. I mean, that's strong, man. All right.